How to activate Revolut account. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's guide video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can activate your Revolut account. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you might have created a Revolut account, it is not activated or verified. To do this, all you have to do is simply open up the Revolut application here. Once you open the Revolut app, just go ahead and then log into your account like this. Once you log into the account, you're going to see this type of interface. Now you can see in my case it says verify your identity. That is because I have not activated my account. Now to verify, you can either tap on this banner if you see a pop-up on the home screen, or in case you don't see it, you can tap the profile icon over here, go to account not verified option, tap on personal details, and then here you can see verify your email as well. You can tap on verify identity here. Then once you've done that, you can go to documents, and now you can also go ahead and then actually account confirmation, and then you can go ahead and then basically submit your document in order to successfully activate your Revolut account. And that is it on how you can activate your Revolut account. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.